Hey guys, it's Julie, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite cozy breakfasts, a blueberry-flax baked oatmeal. Now, what I really love about this breakfast is that it's such a shining example that comfort food can be healthy. Every ingredient we use in this recipe is packed with nutritional purpose, from heart-healthy oats to brain-boosting blueberries to digestion-friendly flax seeds and so much more. And you'll likely be pleasantly surprised that this is a pretty low-sugar breakfast as well. Now, this is a really easy recipe to make if you're serving a group, but if you have a smaller household, it also keeps very well in the refrigerator, and I can attest it also makes a perfect ready-made afternoon snack as well. So please be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and get the full recipe at luminberry.com. As for now, let's make our blueberry-flax baked oatmeal. We'll start by pouring some rolled oats into a medium bowl and add some baking powder, ground cinnamon, cardamom, and sea salt. And we'll mix this up to combine and set aside. Next, we'll mash some bananas with a fork, getting them nice and smooth until we have 1 cup of mashed bananas, which is usually about 2 or 3 fruits. Now we'll add the bananas to a large bowl, along with some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, some sugar-free monk fruit sweetener, or another sugar if you'd like, and a touch of maple syrup. And we'll whisk this together into a smooth mixture. We'll add our bowl of dry ingredients and stir everything together to combine. And lastly, we'll add some fresh blueberries. And we'll also partially smash some flax seeds so that they're better digested, and add those in as well, folding everything together. Now we'll spray a 9x9 pan with an oil cooking spray and pour in our oat mixture, spreading it out into a flat layer. And we'll bake this at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once the top is set and the sides begin to turn golden, we'll remove the pan from the oven and let it stand for 10 minutes before cutting into 9 generous slices. Serve this baked oatmeal warm or cool, either a la mode or topping with some breakfast favorites like non-dairy yogurt, extra fruit, or syrup if you desire. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.